Hi friends, I'm Ganesh Patil, motivational speaker, language expert and counselor. Today we are going to discuss how to express daily habits and occurrences. Dear students, to express daily habits and occurrences, we use simple present tense, and in simple present tense, we frame sentence by using subject plus first form of the verb plus object. Object may or may not come. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Sachin goes for practice early in the morning. Anand prays God every day. Geeta sings in the morning. Mahesh plays chess every evening. All these sentences show routine, daily occurrence or present habit. We can use the same tense in running commentary also. You must have heard cricket commentary. Now just listen to this cricket commentary.
Facing Perry, steaming in. And he just works it off the hip nicely. It's through the gap. And Tendulkar's away with a boundary.
That's a shot he plays very well. I think he played the leg glance better than any.
See, instead of using continuous present tense, the commentator is using simple present tense. For example, Harbhajan comes and balls to David Boone, and Boone drives and ball goes to Kapil, and Kapil prints and Nora. See here, everywhere simple present is used instead of continuous present. So in running commentary, it may be commentary of any game, it may be commentary of any event, simple present tense is used. That is subject plus verb, first form of the verb. Dear friends, in our daily use, at maximum places, simple tenses are used. Simple present is also used to show schedules. For example, Gitanjali Express comes at 10:30 a.m. You must have realized how we can express present habits and daily routines. You may also tell the same things in passive voice of simple present tense. For example, Rohit completes a homework. You can also say homework is completed by Rohit. Ajay sings a song. A song is sung by Ajay. He buys a car every year. A car is bought every year. Regular things, daily happenings, usual happenings are indicated in simple present. Remember, in simple present, if the subject is third person singular, we add s or es to the verb. If the subject is first person, second person, we do not add anything to the verb that follows. But if the verb is third person singular, that is he, she, it, or any name of single person, third person single, then we add s to the verb that follows. For example, Ajay writes a letter. Now Ajay is neither a speaker nor a listener. Ajay is third person and he is singular. So the verb that follows takes s or es after it. How to ask present habit or daily happenings? To ask present habits or daily happenings, we need to use do or does in the question. In other words, we need to frame a question in simple present tense, and in simple present tense, we take do or does in questions. For example, what does he do in the morning? Where does Seema go in the evening? What does Ajay play in the morning? In which school do you go? Universal truth or experiment carried out in the laboratory can also be reported in simple present tense. Mostly, the experiments are reported in passive voice of simple present tense. For example, water is prepared in the laboratory by combining oxygen and hydrogen. I hope you enjoyed my class. To learn this properly and to acquire this technique of expressing present habits or usual happenings, practice this construction in your regular communication. The more you practice, the more perfect you will become. Wish all the best. If you like this video and if you find any change in your ability to communicate,